susunod po nating guest ay patunay na ang bagong henerasyon ng artista ay hindi lang po multi-talented, kundi multi-dimensional. Isa po siyang half Filipino, half Welsh actor, singer at model na unti-unting bumubuo ng pangalan sa showbiz industry. To sing his debut single na Nagkakahiyaan, let's give it up for Lee Victor.
Let's go! Pakiusap lamang, huwag kang umasta, na di ko pa alam, hindi pa ba halata? Bakit di pa aminin? Alam ko ng totoo, di mo man sabihin, ramdam sa kilos mo. Baka akalain mo na di ikaw ang gusto ko. Paano natin malalaman? Huwag mo nang pakiramdaman. Bakit hindi pa subukan? Nagkakahiyaan na naman. Nagkakahiyaan na naman. Hintay ka ba? Teka lang, ito na. Kung sa'kin may gusto ka, eh di pareho tayo. Oo, baka akalain mo na di ikaw ang gusto ko. 1, 2, 3, hey! Paano natin malalaman? Huwag mo nang pakiramdaman. Bakit hindi pa subukan? Nagkakahiyaan na naman. Nagkakahiyaan na naman. Kung ayaw may dahilan, gusto may paraan. Paano natin malaman? Bakit hindi pa subukan? Paano natin malalaman? Huwag mo nang pakiramdaman. Bakit hindi pa subukan? Nagkakahiyaan na naman. Paano natin malalaman? Huwag mo nang pakiramdaman. Bakit hindi pa subukan? Nagkakahiyaan na naman. Nagkakahiyaan na naman. Hey! Nagkakahiyaan na naman.
Alright! Maraming salamat, Lee!
Thank you so
Thanks for being here! Nice to meet you. Good morning sa'yo. Bati ka muna sa mga fans mo.
What's up, guys? Good morning. How's everyone doing? Hi.
We're okay, sabi nila. Kamusta ka naman these days? Anong pinagkakaabalahan mo?
Wow, I've been super busy, lalo na sa pagpapromote ng first ever single ko, which I just performed.
Yes,
Nagkakahiyaan.
oo.
And I truly enjoy singing this song talaga, especially to my supporters who are listening to this song.
Did you write this yourself?
I helped them to write this song.
Oo.
of course.
Pero yung idea for the song, yung Nagkakahiyaan, is it about mga taong who are attracted to each other but
Yes,
then don't have the
definitely.
confidence to say so?
Yeah, you got it right, actually. It's about a song na actually two people, they like each other,
Oo.
pero in the end, hindi sila makaamin sa isa't isa kasi nahihiya nga sila. So, ayun.
Wala mangyayari sa
Ayan.
atin yan.
Wala
Kung
nga.
puro hiya tayo, no?
Tama po.
Ganyan ka ba? Are you speaking from your own experience?
I think it's normal. Kung like me, kung a normal teenager magkaka-crush, I think there would be a stage na, syempre nahihiya.
But that's also cute, no?
Yeah, it is. It's so adorable po.
So, ito ba ay, I know that you are also half Welsh. So you grew up in Wales, correct?
Oh, no po. I was born and raised here. Das, Cavite po.
Okay.
Yes.
Your father?
Yeah, my father is Welsh as my mom is pure Pinoy po.
Ayun.
Yes po.
Did you, nakapunta ka na doon?
Never pa po, but that's one of my dream countries na mapuntahan, yung UK po.
Oo.
United Kingdom.
So, growing up, meron bang naging impluensya ito sa buhay mo? Your father being Welsh? Or sa looks lang talaga? Kasi kitang-kita naman namin
Nasa looks po talaga, honestly. But
Oo.
yeah, growing up talaga, I think music talaga. I grew up listening to music talaga.
Because of him?
No,
Hindi naman.
there's this one specific artist na I got to listen every day kasi there's this pajak driver that would play this
Ang cute!
song on repeat, and then that specific song, sabi ko, ay, gusto ko na maging OPM artist.
Okay, na-curious kami. What song is this na paborito ni Pajak Driver?
Nasayaw na ang lahat by Daniel Padilla. Yeah.
Talaga?
Yes po.
Tapos because lagi mong naririnig yon, na-inspire ka maging singer?
Yes, tas kinanta ko sa harapan ng mama ko, and sabi ni mama, oh, I have potential daw. So, ayun, pinagpatuloy ko hanggang pagtanda ko. Fast forward, I joined recitals, I learned how to play different music instruments, piano, guitar.
Wow.
Guitar's my favorite music
So,
instrument.
musician ka rin talaga?
Yes po.
Oo. Buti na lang na dinecide mong i-pursue ito.
Yes po.
Kailan lang?
Honestly, matagal na po gusto ko tong i-pursue. Pero ngayon lang po ako na bigyan ng chance. Like last year, 2025, I was given the chance to have my first ever single. Kasi honestly, the process of writing songs, putting your heart and soul into it, mahirap po siya. Mahirap siyang proseso. But,
Yan ang nakakahiya.
yes. Yeah, but in
More
the
than
end,
saying hi to your crush.
yeah, nagawa ko na nasulat ko yung first ever song ko, and I hope more to come in the future. And yeah, every
Great
day,
job.
nagsusulat lang po ako, nagko-compose.
Yes. It's like a muscle, no? You
Yes
have to
po.
keep using it.
Yes.
Pero good job on having
so
the
much.
courage to bring out the material,
Of
di ba?
course, I want to be one of the greats sa
Yes.
OPM.
Yes. I like that. I like that drive. Kaya itong nagkakahiyaan, it's out already sa lahat ng mga streaming.
Yes, that's right po.
Okay, good. Great.
Yes.
Ano ba ang next step after this?
Next step, wow, siguro, since I had my first ever single, maybe in the future, magkaroon ako my first ever album, and then let's level it up, baka sariling concert, solo concert.
Yes.
So yeah, that's my dream. One of my
Looking for, as
dreams.
long as you
Yes.
put your passion behind it, there's
Yes
no
po.
way you can fail. Meron
That's
namang
right.
talent,
Opo.
may looks, 'di ba? At alam kong magaling ka rin na aktor. Totoo ba?
Yes po, I start in a lot of shows na rin po.
Okay.
Yes.
Pero we're gonna put that to the test today.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi kami naniniwala, naloko lang. We're going to have a little playtime with you, Lee, if you don't mind.
Of course.
This one is called Act It Out. Okay,
It Out
at
Challenge.
makasama natin dito sina Amiga, si Jasmine at si Via.
Alright. Hello.
That's Amiga.
Hi,
Jasmine and Via. Oh, for the first round, makakatambal mo si Via.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, so all you
Go,
have to do
girl.
is pick from our bowl, tapos i-act out ninyo kung ano man yung na-pick ninyo, and then the rest of us will try to guess what it is.
Alright,
Okay,
challenge
okay.
accepted. Let's do this, let's do this.
Diba?
Okay.
Great job. Okay, so Via and Lee, stay
Okay.
together.
Sige,
Okay,
magtabi
dito
tayo,
tayo, cheers.
Lee.
Alright.
And then pick one.
Para they can
Close my
make
eyes.
pahula.
And then,
That's why I got one.
kami ang manghuhula.
Ano yung ano natin,
Ngayon.
Lee?
Galingan nyo, ha? You have 3 seconds to ano. Oh, don't read.
I
My...
can't even read if I wanted to.
Okay, di ko sasabihin.
Siyempre,
Bawal sabihin.
Sasabihin ko
sabi
na
mo
sana
naman
sa
na
inyo.
nakikinig sa akin. Magka-mechanics ako
We
dito,
have to
eh.
act this word out.
Okay, let's go. Parang sure. Ay,
Yes,
Parang
parang
gano'n.
gano'n.
Kailangan natin mag-guess kung anong actingan nila.
okay. 2 words.
Okay, walang 2 words,
Okay.
3 words.
Game. Wala. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ay,
Palaka.
palaka?
Frog.
Tumatalo na parang palaka. Ay, nakahabol ng palaka. Ay, nagagalit sa palaka. Takot sa palaka.
Tumingin sa
Nakakita ng
palaka.
palaka.
Yes, that's right.
Yan, exercise ako dun na.
Ay, nakita ko.
Let's work out.
Exactly right.
May nakita kong
Nice
palaka.
one.
Yay!
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
Next
now,
naman.
Next
Change
round.
kayo ni Jan.
Tingnan natin, i-time nyo para
Wow,
malaman
wow.
natin kung sino yung pinakamagaling na
We got
ka-eksena.
this, we got this.
Oh.
Tapos
we got
siya
this.
yung magiging leading lady ni Lee sa
Lee.
kanyang pelikula.
Bagay! Ang
Okay.
cute.
Eto naman, Jazz and Lee ang tambalan.
Alright.
Let's check
Next
it
one.
out. Ilang segundo kaya yung kay Via?
Oh, mga 2 seconds lang.
Wow!
No.
Ay, di pala.
Mga 30 to 40 seconds. No. Sobrang bilis.
May paddy.
Oh.
Okay. You
You wanna
get it?
go first?
English din mo.
Englishin mo siya.
I-translate
Yeah,
mo.
yeah, yeah.
Baka
Alright,
Yes.
I'm gonna whisper
Canadian
to you in
import
English.
yan.
Alright.
mas import pa si Jazz no?
Okay.
Kasi sili pala kabitin.
Oo.
Alright. You got this?
So you will be the one
Yeah,
leading.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Lights, camera, action!
What are they flying
Bird.
for?
Nak,
Fly with me.
Wings.
come,
Fly to me.
fly.
Lumipad ka.
Ha? Flying bird?
Kasama mo ako lumipad.
Ang wings mo lumipad. Ano lumipad?
on the wings of love.
On the, oo nga, on the wings of love.
Lumipad ka kasama ako.
Ah,
Magkakasama
fly with
tayong
me.
lumipad.
Lumipad ng magkasama tayo.
Magkasama tayo.
Lumipad ng magkasama tayo.
Magsamang lumipad.
Naku, ang hirap ah.
Ano daw yun? Together, closer.
Magjowa kayo na lumipad.
Ilang minuto na. Pag 1 minute, wala na.
Nagpa-fly.
Kasama.
Come fly with me.
Fly with me.
Lumipad ka kasama
with
ko.
me.
1 minute na yon. Ano daw?
Samahan mo akong lumipad.
Sama. So
You
close.
said it in English already.
Yes.
Tagalog
So close. Sorry, I'm an import. Import kasi ako.
Davao
Sorry.
Good try. I was like,
We got it though. We got
Nice
it.
though.
Very good. Oh, you guys
It's
won on this one.
clearly flying.
oo, correct.
Kailangan lang talaga yung exact na ano.
Okay. This one's easy. We got this.
So si
Sige,
Pia
sige.
pa lang ang nananaig.
Sino yung...
Ako lang. Here comes Amiga. Okay. Timer starts now. Manok.
Manok.
Duck.
Doc, ha?
Walking.
Pato. Mag-aalaga ng manok.
Bakit may leash?
Cooking.
Nilalakad ang manok. Niluluto ang manok.
Iniihaw?
Let's go home. Ay,
Ay, dili. Bumibili ng manok. Bumibili ng manok.
Bumili ng pato.
Bumili ng
Bumili ng
ng
manok.
pato.
Bumili.
Bibili ng manok.
pwede.
Bibili.
Nagbenta ng...
Bumibili.
Ang haba kasi ng words nyo.
Bibili ng manok. Bibili ng manok.
Bili manok? Bili ng manok.
Bumili.
Bili manok. Bili manok.
Bibili ng manok.
Bili manok?
Ito na yun.
Yeah, yeah,
Bili.
that's right.
Bili
That's
manok.
right.
Bili manok. Bili ng manok.
Bili ng manok.
Oh, bili ng
There we
manok.
go.
Bili ng manok.
Bili ng manok.
Bili ng
ilan?
manok.
Ang cute nung
Ang cute nung
gano'n.
manok.
Bili.
Akala ko lulutuin mo siya.
Kasi paano ko? Kaya
Alam niyo, tumatakbo.
may pera ako. Tapos ako, I'll bring it
Akala
home.
ko nilalakad yung manok.
Oh, akala nagulat ako
May pet manok. May pet manok.
Pet manok.
Well, malinaw na malinaw. Magaling si Lee.
Correct.
Ang mahirap,
Thank you
ang
po.
mahina, yung makatambal.
Thank you so much. I had so much fun.
And in the event na magkaroon ka ng pelikula, nandiyan naman si Via. Oh.
Dito lang kami.
Pero for now, why don't you go ahead and tell Arcadas about, or invite Arcadas to stream your song.
Yes, you can keep streaming my song on all digital music platforms.
Yes.
Nakakahiyaan, it's out. I hope you guys enjoy it. Sana makarelate kayo. Sana gumawa din kayo ng covers. I want to see a lot of covers when you guys sing the song. And gamitin nyo din na pang-edit sa mga favorite ships nyo and your favorite soaps. Right?
Ideas muli, I love it.
And you can follow me on all of my social media account _LeeVictor_ at TikTok and IG and LeeVictor on Facebook. That's it. Thank you so much.
Nice one. Thank you very much for being
Thank you
here.
so much.
Anytime you have a new single to promote, just come on over.
All
We'll
right.
be glad to
will do.
help you out.
Thank you so much.
At nakakatuwa naman talagang makita kung paano dinadala ni Lee ang parehong energy, disiplina at passion mula sa pag-arte hanggang sa musika. Patunay na kapag may passion at commitment ang ginagawa natin, tuloy-tuloy ang pag-angat.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.